Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apple Sign-In on iOS with Firebase. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Apple Sign-In on iOS with Firebase, start by creating your Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console and click on Add Project. Follow the prompts to set up your new project and select your Once your project is created, navigate to Authentication in the left sidebar. Click on Get Started if prompted. In the Sign-In Method tab, enable the Apple provider. Visit your Apple developer account and create a new app ID. Make sure to check the Sign-In with Apple capability. Next, create a new Services ID for your app. In the Services ID settings, enter your app's information and enable the Sign-In with Apple option. Add your redirect URL as specified in the Firebase console. Copy the client ID from the Services ID settings for later use. In Firebase, go back to the Auth section and configure the Apple settings using the client ID. You will also need to provide your team ID from your Apple developer account. Download the necessary keys and keep them secure. Now, open your iOS project in Xcode. Add Firebase to your project by using CocoaPods if you haven't already. In your pod file, include the line for Firebase authentication. Run the pod install command in your terminal. Once installation is complete, import Firebase in your app delegate file. Initialize Firebase with the Firebase app.configure method. In your View controller, import the necessary modules. Next, set up the Sign-In button for Apple Sign-In. Add the button to your interface and create an action for its tap event. In your action method, call the AS authorization Apple ID provider to start the sign-in request. Handle the response and authenticate with Firebase using the returned credentials. Use auth.auth.signin with credential to sign in the user with Firebase. Test your implementation thoroughly on a real device. Make sure to check the Apple Developer Console for any necessary configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.